I am trying to grow herbs in my kitchen on the west coast of Florida, but I'm having trouble. I've tried seeds and plants that are already started, but nothing seems to last. What do I need to grow fresh herbs in my kitchen? Do I need to get a kit? And this is Ron. We don't want Ron to get a kit, do we?
Well, I think that I'd probably focus on the site before I thought about the, seeds or plants.
Got it. Okay. So what do you think Ron needs to do then?
So light was the first thing that came to my mind. Is that where you went?
First thing that comes to my mind. Yeah, at least what, 6 hours you would say? 6-7 hours direct sunlight?
Yeah,
if you can get
and our herbs for the most part are warm season, light loving, cilantro. We have some cool season, options. But when we think about our basils, many of those, high light, warm temperatures.
Yeah, think about that.
Okay. Yeah, and so site would be the first thing that I would think about, and and then making sure that you have a large enough container. Sometimes
that's a good point. I didn't think about that.
Yeah. Sometimes I think that the herbs for the kitchen window are cute, but they may not have longevity to really mature and get good productivity out
That's
of
a good point. No, that's a good point. So what about potting mix? What do you think about that? So that's something else kind of floated around in my mind.
Yeah, I mean, and it could be for some of those that, make sure that you have drainage in your container, make sure that it is a well-drained potting mix, for some of our herbs, will, good drainage is essential. We can overwater them.
Yes.
With some frequency, and so making sure that we're not overdoing it. And so we think about the site, think about a large enough container, we think about a high quality, pathogen-free media, and then I think you could do well with seeds or plants, depending upon your preference.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.